I don't know if winters are here yet, but flu season is definitely here and everyone I know is sick. So to safeguard yourself from the flu or just get some relief if you have it already, you should try these homemade ginger candies. Ideally, these take just two ingredients to make, that is your ginger and jaggery. Instead of finely chopped, you can even use blended or grated ginger. Add to it some black salt, turmeric and pepper powder and let the jaggery melt. You'll know it's well done when it doesn't melt in water and you are able to shape it. Spread them out or shape them into round balls and enjoy.